Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe from multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors.
Well, if you've been waiting for the next mega or blockbuster IPO, your wait might have been just over. The IPO of BLS Services will now open for subscription tomorrow. That's January 30th. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra, and on this edition, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this new IPO that's about to hit the street. Now, remember, tomorrow, that's January 30th, is when the IPO opens. It will shut shop on February 1st. And here are 10 things that you should know about BLS Services IPO before looking to subscribe to this issue. One, it is a digital services provider, and it has fixed the IPO price from 129 rupees to 135 rupees per equity share. That's the band at which the IPO will come in for. Now, the company already aims to raise 310 crore rupees from this issue, and this is via a fresh issue of shares. There is no offer for sale in this issue. The proceeds from this company or the issue will be used for various purposes, including financing the establishment of BLS stores, acquiring businesses, inorganic growth, and strengthening the technology infrastructure that the company works on. Next, the allocation for the public issue over here is 75% for qualified institutional buyers or the QIBs, 15% for non-institutional investors and 10% for retail investors. Now, investors here can bid for a minimum of 108 equity shares and then in multiples of thereof. A discount of 7% per equity share is also offered to the BLS International shareholders in the reserved portion, as BLS International holds about 93% of the stake of this company. Remember, the company provides visas, passport, consular and other citizen services to state and provincial governments across Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America and the Middle East through the technology-enabled platform. It is the only listed company engaged in this domain in the country, and now it will be having its subsidiary, which will now get listed. Now, for the period ended September 30th of 2023, the company had posted a net profit of 14.68 crores with a revenue of 158 crores. The financial year FY23 also ended with the bottom line crossing 20.33 crores of profit and a revenue of 246 odd crore rupees. Now, as per the stock market observers, BLS Services share price is already quoting at a premium of 155 rupees in the grey market today. That's before the opening of the IPO. This means that the grey market is expecting multi-bagger returns from this public issue. However, remember that grey market is only an indication. It is not an official market, but investors like to track this grey market to understand what is the kind of demand that this IPO is going to be having. Now, the IPO basis of allotment of shares will be finalized on Friday, that's February 2nd, and the company will be initiating the refunds on Monday, that's February 5th, while the shares will be credited to the demat accounts of the allottees on the same day, following which the BLS Services shares are likely to get listed on both the exchanges, BSE and NSE, on upcoming Tuesday, that would be February 6th, after the IPO has closed for subscription. So these are the 10 things that you needed to know about BLS Services. Now, whether this IPO is something that you should bet big on, stay tuned to Business Today Television to find out more in the other videos. With that, we wrap up this special edition, but do stay tuned as a lot of exciting news and coverage from the world of stock markets follows up next.
Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe from multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors.
Celebrate 32 years of leadership in business news with Business Today. From the groundbreaking AI cover of Sundar Pichai to PM Modi's exclusive on G20, we redefine headlines. Now our 32nd anniversary issue explores India 2029, the 5-year agenda, with industry titans sharing exclusive insights. So, just BT it for unparalleled perspectives. Business Today, 32 years of leadership, innovation and business brilliance. Subscribe now. In today's rapidly evolving business environment, when risk is omnipresent, managing risks is no longer just about ticking a few boxes. Businesses need to maintain a panoramic view of risks to stay ahead of the curve. Join us to explore how organizations can rethink risk to unlock new possibilities and become fit for future. At PwC presents De-Risking the Future in collaboration with Business Today.